Always running out of battery when you need your phone the most? Or tired of those cheap car chargers that charge slowly or stop working after a few weeks? Well, that ends today. Introducing the Mongoora IBD330 Q3 car charger, a sleek and durable dual-port charger designed with advanced fast-charging technology. From quickly powering up your smartphone to keeping tablets, GPS devices, and other gadgets ready on the road, it ensures reliable, high-speed charging on every drive. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Mongoora IBD 330 Q3 car charger. User manual. Specifications. Installation. Start by locating your vehicle's 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, usually found near the center console or under the dashboard. Make sure the socket is free of dust or debris for a secure connection. Next, insert the car charger directly into the socket until it fits properly. The indicator light on the charger will turn on, confirming it's receiving power. How to connect. Connect your device using a compatible USB cable, USB-C, or Lightning, depending on your device. Once connected, your device should start charging automatically. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.